Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to fix the missing Hibernate mode in the shutting down settings in Windows 10. You can apply the same for the Windows 11. Okay, so here you see on my screen in the shutdown settings section, I have only sleep and lock mode here. So you click on start button and type in the command prompt and right click on it. You select the Run as Administrator. It will open the command prompt window and you type in the command line here. It will be the power CFC space Hibernate space and on. Enter. And then you close this one. Go to the control panel again. System and security. Power options. And then you click on the to what the power button do on the left hand side. Here you see for now the Hibernate option and also the turn on fast startup recommendation option has been backed. In order to enable the Hibernate option, because for now when you click on the start button and click on shutdown, you didn't see the Hibernate option here. You have to click on the change settings that are currently unavailable. Hyperlink here. And then check into the Hibernate option. Save change. Yeah. And so now you back to click on start button and start down button. Yeah. So you see here the Hibernate option has been back. Okay. And in case if you want to disable the Hibernate option again, you can type in the power CFG space / Hibernate and off here. After that, the Hibernate option will be disabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.